everyone, this is Keith from Easy Trading School, and I am just doing live trading with expert option. I blew the account couple of times. I had to deposit $300 a couple of times, but it's been a lot of fun. I'm monitoring all my trades. I just had a winning streak of $47. What I've discovered that most of the time the downward move is much safer than upward move for some reason, uh, and it has been my favorite. Now, did I lose the last one for 25? I think, yeah. So my balance is now at 267. That's right. Okay, so I think this would be here and 47.5. This is correct. Okay, so you see, when it dives huge, goes up a bit and it dives again, kind of. So I'm just gonna do downwards for 50. I just want to bring the account to $700-800, and then I can withdraw some money. Okay, so where is it going? One trade at a time. For 50, I should really be trading with $20, not $50, but it's okay. Let's go. Let's go down. I also changed the time frame from 1 minute to 2 minutes. I guess it changed back to it, didn't it? Yeah, I want to trade with 2 minutes one because that's safer. Okay, so I'm just gonna press another downward. Okay, so this is against the rules of putting two trades, having two trades at the same time, but it's okay. It's all okay. So I've got 7 seconds before I get that one in for $95. Okay, so my other trade is on. Okay, so my next trade is gonna be for $50 again. Let's just change that to 40. This is my new trade. I'm gonna hit it downwards. Very good. Good job. So I more or less have $90 on one direction. Not the band, but the direction of the trade. It's dived beautifully. Very good. Diving, diving, diving. I'm gonna place another trade of 50, or is it $50 again? Actually, yeah, I did 50s. So my balance is 162. Okay, I need all of these trades to actually convert. Otherwise, it's bad news. Live trading using expert option. If you want to sign up, use the link in the box. Where is it going? Where is it going? Where is it going? Okay, it looks like I got one, and this I still have 53 minutes. It's gonna go down. It loves going down for some reason. So I've got 295s, and I'm going to now. Is it gonna rise? Let's see. It's going down. So I've hit another €50 there, and let's see if we are going to. I have 30 seconds before. Actually, yeah, they both went in the same column. 18 seconds, 16 seconds, 13 seconds, 12. Where is my line? Okay, 5. Come on, dive, dive, dive. It's not diving. Okay, so that kind of sucked a bit. Okay, is it gonna dive more? That is the question. I'm just gonna make it down again. Yeah, it is going down. You see this is a big avalanche coming down. So you see, after the avalanche it recovers and comes down, recovers, come down, and then come down. So this is its resistance line. After this it is gonna start growing again, possibly. We don't know that. New trade. So this is on the verge, on the edge. Okay, let's look it up close. Okay, are we gonna hit another down? Yes, we are. So another 50, and the last one was 95. Okay, so it's actually like this. Okay, $297. Okay, yeah. Oh, it's rising again. All right, it's rising again. Whoa, I have 20 seconds left. 24. It's rising. Yeah, but it's gonna come down again. It's gonna come down again. Oh, maybe not. Yeah, I'm gonna press another down. 50. Okay. Just come down. Just come all the way down to 0. Okay, we're possibly getting some bad news here. 42 seconds. It's just on the walking on the line. 33, 32, 30, 28, 37, 20. Come on. Okay, okay. I think we're gonna make it. Let's just make it. Let's just make this one. Let's do it. Let's go a little bit down more. Yeah, it's on the line. Okay, we made it for 95. See? See what I told you? Okay, so balance is 342, but where is it going now? Is it going down? It's going down for me all the time. So, another downward move. Okay, balance standing at 292. Okay, that's good. It went down. Okay, that's good. That's good. You see, it's gonna go down all the way up here and it's gonna rise again. So now the next move should be upwards from here onwards. So I can actually increase that to 100. I did 90. Okay, so yeah, but that's my next one. Okay, so my first one is actually 95, and this one is gonna be it's gonna go up because I still have 50 seconds. I still have 50 seconds because according to the wave, where's the wave? Wave, 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 and it's gonna rise somewhere around here. Somewhere around here it has to rise. Come on, zoom in. Usually downward is my favorite, but I decided to make it go up. But will it go up? See? See what I told you? Because this is a wave. But I have 15 seconds left. I have 15 seconds left. 15 seconds left. And I'm going to press downwards when it rises. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Okay. I lost the $90. Yeah, see, that's exactly when it was gonna rise. You see, it's gonna go up, and then it it rose just 2 seconds after my time expired. That is so unlucky. And then I said, okay, it's gonna go up, and then I pressed it down. So I'm just doing the opposite of what I should really be doing because now it's actually gonna go upwards. That means I'm gonna lose another $100. Okay, this is not fun at all. Yeah, it's not coming down for now. You see, Now I should really be pressing downwards. I'll just wait. I'll just wait. 8, 7, 6, 5. New trade downwards. Okay. I have back. I'm back at $97. Great. I need to get this one in for 190. Okay. Yes, ride the wave. See, the balance comes back very quickly, given that you actually convert. Otherwise, it's bad news. And it's going up actually. I think I'm gonna win this one, but I think the trend is now reversing. It's ready to climb again. So my next couple of moves are always gonna be upwards. So I'm just gonna change this to 50. Let's just control the expense and make it go up. So my first one is a loss. Okay, we are at $47. That is crazy. You see, I thought this was going up and it started going back down again. Oh, it's just so much fun. Yeah, it's gonna come down again. New option for $45 going down. And that blows my account again. I might get this one for 85.5. Yeah, it's gonna go back up again, but after how long? See, there's this gap here. It's not gonna rise, so that means once you have to wait here. I know what's happening. I know exactly how it's going. I have to wait here, and when it starts to go up, I'm gonna hit this very quickly. But first I have to get this money in 40 seconds, and after 40 seconds I will press $50 upwards. Yeah, it's not ready to go up yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Whoa, dive. Okay, I might do downwards actually, because let's see, is it going down? Yeah. Okay, let's take a dive for 50. Okay, how much time I have? Like 32 seconds left. Whoa. Whoa. It's ready to go up. It's ready to go up. Okay, wait. Oh, it's coming down. Whoa, whoa. You never know. 4, 2. Oi. Oh no. It was at the line. This is not fair. Because you know when it's at the line, it doesn't give you any money. Okay, so looks like we call it a day. It happens. But this binary option is more trickier than you may think. The main reason of the failure is the fast trading. This is very, very dangerous. Perhaps I will try 5-minute trading. next time. But it's just it takes longer for me to trade and make these videos, so that's why I go for the short fast trading. But I've made money in the past with fast trading as well. If you've liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. Do watch other videos. Do sign up for my course. The price at the moment is $99. It's gonna go to $300 in a couple of days. So see you in the next update. Thanks for watching.
Thank you, Keith, for great free before and free after sign-up support. And thank you for watching. Click below and comment and like, but just don't touch.